Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 25, 2023, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. result ngayong October 25, 2023, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numerong lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, October 25, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 25, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 29 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 52 million pesos for Wednesday, October 25, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for October 25, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.